What is the purpose of a pitch deck? A pitch deck is an interesting tool that is widely used in convincing others that the idea you have is worth doing. Let's see what the purpose of the pitch deck is. First of all, the pitch deck forces the startup to analyze the business idea that they want to do. Many startups don't do the proper research and analysis to check whether the business they want to build is a viable one. There is a lot of gut feeling and will, but not enough critical thinking. The pitch deck forces them to do the required analysis. Without that, they cannot create a good pitch deck. Another benefit of pitch decks is the fact that you have all the most important information about the business opportunity in one place. You don't have to browse through hundreds of files to see the big picture. The pitch deck should show you all the necessary facts in a digestible manner. The third benefit of a pitch deck is the fact that it enables you to compare different ideas fast. Pitch decks will differ in style, number of slides, and presentation form. However, they will roughly cover the same topics. Therefore, for investors, it is much easier to go through tens of pitch decks per day than to talk to each startup separately. This drastically increases the efficiency of potential investors. Last but not least, the pitch deck is a document that can be discussed widely by different groups. Most investors make decisions as a committee. Not all members of the investment committee will participate in meetings with startups. Therefore, the pitch deck is the only document they will see from the firm. Bear in mind that to create a good pitch deck, you actually have to do a lot of additional work. So you have to do the market research, define the strategy, define the business model, as well as create at least a simple financial model in Excel. On top of that, you have to define the team and projects that have to be done to make the business a success. That is why the pitch deck is a great tool to make the team work harder on preparing and analyzing the business ideas. For this reason, many firms use pitch decks also internally to analyze new business ideas.